What is Moodle? How to use Moodle in college and university. The study environment in the UK is pretty systematic, and the usage of Moodle is common for almost all colleges and universities. Moodle is considered necessary for creating a personalized learning environment for educators, learners, and administrators by offering a single robust, secured, and integrated system. Some of the key benefits of deploying Moodle as a learning resource for students include being easy to use, always up to date, designed to support the learning and teaching environment, trusted worldwide and free with no licensing fee, etc. Now we will discuss some of the keys Moodle used in the United Kingdom for imparting quality education and ways to log in and access the learning material. UCL Moodle, Warwick Moodle. Is it true that you are a graduating or post-graduating understudy from the University College London, UK? Is it true that you feel depleted from finishing assignments and schoolwork all the time? Try not to stress. HND Assignment Help is consistently at your doorstep to help you most possibly and decisively finish your college assignments within the period. UCL Moodle, Warwick Moodle has been designed to allow students of University College London to log in and access all the educational resources. With the 24/7 non-stop accessibility of expert mentors, we are the best and most sensible for academic writing. Moodle, UCL Moodle. Coventry University offers a wide variety of educational courses for students worldwide, including management, hospitality, health and social care, travel and tourism, law, nursing, information technology, etc. Moodle, UCL Moodle access offered to the students helps gain all coursework details for the student. Once students access all the resources through Moodle and UCL Moodle, they can prepare themselves with the help of HND Assignment Help to gain high marks. Moodle, UCL Moodle is considered one of the advanced learning management systems around the globe. Moodle, UCL Moodle is being used by the University of East London students, assessors and administrators in order to manage the artificial learning environment created for the university. This Moodle, UCL Moodle, contains several key features and advancements over the Moodle used by other universities and colleges such as Moodle and UCL Moodle. Features such as ease of usage, the safety of account, integration of various learning resources and anywhere access is among the critical benefits of Moodle and UCL Moodle for the students of the University of East London. E-learning is among the critical aspects of the Royal Holloway University of London. Students accomplishing various courses interact with Moodle, UCL Moodle. The most advanced e-learning system that helps them interact with students and teachers, participate in online discussions and activities, access course material, and carry out other learning activities through their Moodle and UCL Moodle. Once logged in, Moodle and UCL Moodle will provide all learning resources alike. They can get class slides, lecture or tutorial material, e-learning material, marking assessment criteria and assignment submission links, etc. Get Assignment Help UK by HND Assignment Help,